Hey Mochi fam, let's face it, keeping your dog's teeth clean isn't always easy. If you're like me, every attempt with a toothbrush turns into a game of chase, and it is so frustrating to see yellow teeth and deal with bad breath. That's why I chose Probite Advanced, PetLab's first clinically studied dental formula. First, it's a total game changer for stubborn pups like Mochi. No toothbrush battles here. Here's the best part. PetLab has undergone a 28-day clinical study and comes in 3 different sizes, depending on your dog's weight. For Mochi's size and weight, all it takes is 1 scoop a day. It's packed with an amazing proprietary blend of probiotics, rosemary leaf extract, brown algae, and green tea, all working together to promote fresher breath and whiter teeth. Just sprinkle 1 scoop on their meal and let them clean their teeth themselves. It is so simple to use, no mess, no stress, just healthy teeth and fresher breath meal by meal. Plus the flavor, Mochi doesn't even notice it in his food. He eats his meal like normal, and I get the satisfaction of knowing his teeth are getting cleaner with every bite. This isn't just any dental care product. Probite Advanced is clinically studied and formulated by trusted veterinarians and nutritionists, so you can feel confident you're giving your dog the highest quality care. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your dog's dental routine with Probite Advanced. Your pup and their teeth will thank you.